Gold just did something it hasn't done in decades. It broke every resistance line and quietly rewrote the rules of safety. It's November 5th, 2025. While the world is still talking about interest rates and inflation numbers, the real story is in the charts that never make the headlines. Gold has surged past 2,450 United States dollars per ounce, its highest close in recorded history. The dollar index fell to 98.5, signaling a structural shift in confidence. The US 10-year yield dropped under 3.9%, its lowest since the summer. And global funds, from Zurich to Singapore, are quietly rotating into metal and commodities. This is not a panic door, it's a controlled migration of capital. Whenever the system shifts, gold becomes the language of trust. It is not about price, it is about position. The Fed is holding policy tight while liquidity thins. Meanwhile, Asia and Europe are building buffers with physical gold. China's reserve purchases hit a 3-year high this quarter. India increased imports by 12%. Sovereign funds that once parked money in US bonds are now quietly adding gold exposure. When the cost of trust rises, the market chooses what cannot default, that's gold. Look at the sequence. Bond yields drop gives dollar weakens, gives gold rallies, gives risk assets stabilize. This is a pattern of monetary rotation, not crisis. Hedge fund data shows a 22% increase in long positions on gold futures in October. ETF inflows crossed $4 billion this week alone. These aren't speculators. These are strategic allocations before year-end. Bitcoin remains steady around $111,000. But the capital density is shifting. Liquidity is moving from risk to reserve assets. Every move in gold is a reflection of the system's search for stability. So what does this mean for you? Don't chase the headline price, study the flow that built it. Track the relationship between gold, the dollar, and bond yields. That's where future volatility is born. Because when you see gold rising along with falling yields and a soft dollar, it's not a coincidence, it's a signal. The world is quietly resetting its definition of value. Power moves first, everyone else reacts later. You're watching Global Pulse 360 Live, where data meets decisions.